So I created this website for Dusk Ridge Coffee Co. And one of the things I needed to do was add additional payment buttons for the merch section, just like we did for the coffee. So I figured I could show you guys how to do that. So let's go into the Quicksite editor and we'll get started. So we're here, and all we have to do to get started is push the edit pencil button there. We'll go to the items, and we'll start with the cap, which is $17.99. We're going to push the pencil, payment link, and right here it gives you instructions on how to do it, but we're going to do it together. So once we're signed into our Stripe account, we're going to see our dashboard here. We'll push the plus icon and push payment link. We're then going to push add new product, and this is going to be the Dusk Ridge cap. We'll upload our image, and this was $17.99. Add product. We're going to add another product. This is going to be the Dusk Ridge mug. Upload the image. This was $8.99. Add another product. Dusk Ridge tea. $24.99. Add product and add another. And the last one was the tumbler, which was $14.99. We're going to now remove the extra items that we did except for the first one. And now it left us with a hat. We'll check this box here and do add recommended products. We're going to do the tumbler, let them choose, tea, let them choose, and the last one is the mug, and let them choose. So this allows them to add these into the Stripe cart when they go to purchase the hat. So we're going to link all of them just like that. We'll do collect customer address, billing and shipping. We'll also require their phone number. Advanced options, you can add promo codes if you like to, which we'll do that. We're going to push create link, and we'll copy the payment link there. We're going to go back to the Quicksite editor, paste that into the field there. We'll change our text to say purchase. We'll change our font to Cardo. 18 should be fine, and we're going to click show payment link on cover, which will show it right on the bottom there, and save. We'll go back to the website and refresh, and they can see it there as well. What's really cool is when customers actually click on that purchase button, it takes them to the Stripe payment section. They can add additional items that we linked together to it. They can just navigate through all of them. They can also view all and push add as well, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty much all. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Aside from that, thanks so much for watching, and visit gigagenix.com to set up your Quicksite website.